Hello everybody, Dadas here, and we're doing the daily recap video for today. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. On Sunday I made about 2.5 hours video in English. You can find it on my Dadas Trading Room Discord server in the channel entitled Sunday with DTS. And the link to my Dadas Trading Room Discord server is below in the description. So please join in. I stream live every day, of course, every weekday, every trading day, which is of course not a holiday. I stream live. I'm in Poland, so I stream live most of the times from about 10-11 a.m. UTC plus 2 until basically 11 p.m. UTC plus 2. So you are invited to join in and interact with me, look, see my charts, ask me questions, and so on and so forth. So for the daily recap, let's take a look at what's going on the DAX 30, what happened today. So the white dotted lines are the period separators for the day, so they show us the whole day. And what we can see here is that basically the market was bullish today, and very strongly bullish. It made the ranges, at this moment the range is 331 something pips, and because the day is not over yet, the day will be closed in about 15-17 minutes, right? And yeah, and that's when we're gonna have the final daily range. Anyways, the market was bullish, and when I got to the market, I saw an opportunity. That was a bullish opportunity. I wasn't looking at the M15. I was looking specifically on the M5, and right there I found this opportunity, measuring it out something like this. And I decided to go long, right? Now, I just got out the way I usually do, at about 20 pips, and looking at the current price action. So that's what happened. We can see that ultimately the price even reached my take profit level here. But you know, considering the way the price was moving with the pullbacks right here, most probably I would have trailed my stop loss somewhere to around 5 to 10 pips profit right here. Most probably to this level, and I would have gotten stopped out at about 10 pips, right? Well, if this level, if this is about 9.9 pips, I would have put it at 10 pips, or even a bit more than 10 pips. So I would have practically gotten less than I got here. Now, so you see that the market did reach the take profit level, but it really took a pretty long time. Quite a few hours altogether, about 2-3 hours, I think. I'm not gonna count it right now. So yeah, so that will happen. Now, the second trade I took was right there. Now that trade, why did I take a short here? Because there was a bearish signal right here. And this looked like a double top, right? It's practically a standard regular double top formation. So I was looking at a possibility of something like this, right? Something of this nature. Whether it was exactly like this or maybe a little bit like this. Anyways, yeah, it was more like that. That's what I was aiming at. And why did I close it out? I mean, because post fact, it looks like like almost impossible. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how I don't really know how I do it. I simply, I'm looking. I watch the counter, and I also watch the way the price is behaving. I mean, the actual price at the very moment. So, the way the numbers are jumping up and down. That kind of tells you a little bit about what's going on. I didn't like the way the price was behaving here because it started kind of kind of a jumping in this kind of square movement, up and down, up and down, up and down. So I basically decided to watch the counter and get out of it at a reasonable profit. That's all. There is no other secret to this. I just decided to get out, and I got out, and I did the right thing because directly on the next 5 minutes the price went in the other direction. Now, did I know that? Of course not. I didn't know that. And if it happened, if I hadn't closed it, I would have probably gotten a stop loss right there, and then I would have been thinking of how to recover the stop loss on another opportunity of either going short or going long. I would probably be more willing to go long at this moment than short, right? And yeah, but I then after this price action, I saw that the ATRs dropped down right here. I mean, they are a little bit higher right now, but they dropped below 20 at a specific moment. So so there was no more sense in trading anymore. So basically, a pretty good day. I mean, 2 trades. Yeah, it could have even ended at one trade, but I was kind of thinking that because there was a double top right here, and there was some price action that might have suggested that the market would be going down, but all in all, the market was too bullish today. So yeah, that's what happened. And if we switch back to the M15, we see that there are no bearish signals. This was the last one, the last bearish signal right here. So the proper way to do it would have been to click like this and to look whether the price would be breaking down or breaking up. So basically that was the right context, and basically that's it, right? That's it. I mean, earlier there was a context right here. That was the first one, and then this one the second one, and basically the rest of the trading right here was possible, but we would have to go down either to M1 or even to even a smaller time frame if it were available. I mean, normally on the MT4 platform we don't have a lower time frame than the M1, but of course they can be artificially generated, or for example Renko or range bar charts, right? Because you see even if we look at this range right here, after all it's about 50 pips right here. So if the price range is 50 pips, well then getting 5 or 10 pips within a 50 pip range, it's not such a bad idea, right? But looking at this whole context, where basically right now on the screen, on the whole screen, we have a range of over 500, like 550, 560 pips. That kind of changes the proportions, right? It changes the context. So that's one of the also one of the key skills that a trader must learn to must learn is that to recognize what they are actually seeing, because if you see this, or if you all of a sudden see this, it's kind of a different, right? It's different because right now the range on the chart is only 100 pips, right, on the screen. On the whole screen, the range of the screen is 100 pips, and when we zoom out, all of a sudden we get 500 pips. Yeah. So, one day we wake up and we only see this part, right? And then everything changes, right? Because right now I'm zooming in, zooming out, but we could imagine that we're not zooming in and zooming out, and so we think we see the same thing when we don't see the same thing, right? Okay. Yeah, but that's it for today. Like I said, please join me. The link to my Dada's Trading Room Discord server is below in the descriptions. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll find on my Dada's Trading Room Discord server, you'll find all the films that I'm posting. So basically you'll find links to my daily recaps and also to my Sunday films. So yeah, please join in. The Sunday films are usually much longer. They are like 2, 3, sometimes even 4 hours. So and there are a few in English already, at least 3 or 4, I think. So if you watch them, you'll probably get a lot of information about what I'm doing and what it looks like. Okay, so another option is that you can support me by becoming my patron or directly through PayPal. Also, the links are below in the descriptions. If you choose that option, you will get the VIP role on my Dada's Trading Room Discord server. And with that VIP role, you get lots and lots of benefits, even help in my in coding. I can code indicators for you, or strategies, or advisors, as they're called, expert advisors. And if you stick around with me long enough, you'll be able even to get my system. Of course, you can always get my system by contacting me. Thank you very much. Please stay healthy and see you next time. Bye.